Apologies for the late upload today, boys. My dog must have got a rabbit outside last night, and I came in to film at regular time today. I looked right out the window. It's right there, bro. Instant puke. I don't do too well with that. Anyway, I had to wait for my neighbor to come home to figure it out. I'm a bitch. Alright, man, so this might be a really dumb video, but it might be really sick. Bad start, bad start. Probably not that bad. I got my wording wrong. We're really gonna like this, boys. I'm pretty sure. This rabbit got me all left up, bro. Long story short, real quick. Y'all know I shop STONDD. I don't recommend it, but I get better things. Anyway, somebody on Etsy had these packages that you can buy where it's like, you can buy. I swear to God, I've done videos on this before too, and you guys have seen it. So if they're ripping me off, bro, I want Should've got it for free. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, this person on Etsy or eBay, probably Etsy. Epstein. That's not good. Epstein's Island, not even worse. It's a bad place. Anyway, somebody was selling outfits from like celebrities. So like it had a picture of a celebrity and it's like you get that outfit, you know what I mean? But some are wearing Gucci and stuff like that, so I don't know if they're selling the fake stuff because all these were $50. So they had a big long list of like just outfits you can pick out for $50 and it replicates your favorite celebrity's outfit, maybe. I guess that's how you say it. I saw some rappers on there. You guys know I love surprises on this channel, so I hit them up in the DM thing and I said, hey, can you just give me a rapper, because I know you guys are into that, but make it a mystery. Like, don't tell me what one, just give me a random rapper. And so I paid $50 for a rapper's outfit that I don't know what it's gonna be. I'm just hoping it's like not Megan Thee Stallion or something, you know what I mean? Because I have to try on this outfit and then I'm gonna try to guess whose outfit it actually is. So that's why I made it a mystery. We're getting a famous rapper's outfit, hopefully, if they listen to what I said. They should have, because I gave them a real hard time about it. If you don't listen to me, I said, never gonna talk to you again. They instantly blocked. No, anyway, yeah, let's get into it. This could be fun. Without further ado, boys, let's get into it. More likes you give on the videos, more that's good for all of us, because I'd make more videos, because I don't sit depressed at home being like, oh god, bro, I don't know if they like me. I'm gonna stop being honest, just kidding. We're gonna get what we get. I'm not looking, and alright, we'll try it on, then we're gonna guess the rapper, and this is gonna be hard. What the is this? We got mittens? We got mittens. 50 bucks, boys. And we got a beanie. We got a toque, boys. That's what we say. Oh, it's Carhartt! Yeah! I think these are expensive. Size youth. Actually, that'll work. I wear the smallest size hat and it still covers my ears. That'll work fine. Okay, let me know down below, boys. We better have a bunch of stuff in here. I doubt there's gonna be jewelry, but maybe there's jewelry and that would be fun. Who wears a orange beanie? Is this fun? I think this is actually kind of fun. Who wears an orange beanie, boys? I gotta put this on now and get all hot. Sorry for the swearing, but you know, I've had a rough day. Oh god, do I have to put it on? I'll put it on after, guys. No, put it on now. Suck it up, asshole. It's like 35 degrees out here, Canadian, so American, I don't know what that is. Okay, we got a beanie. Who's got that? We better have some other cool stuff in here. I'm hoping they have like some fake Gucci or like fake Balenciaga or something like that, or even like maybe rappers merch. I don't know. XL, what the f? I'm a large. That's not good. So we have now a shirt. Dude, if this says nothing on it, I'm gonna flip out. And that's frickin' it, boys! That's frickin' it! Oh, we got a card! Oh, it says writing on it. I don't know if it says the rapper's name or what, so I'm not gonna spoil it, but I just saw a card with writing on it. Looks to be Sharpie. We'll check it after. That might be the person that it is. Boys, next up, without further ado, let's give them something that's not doo-doo. That's stupid. You a turtleneck. Who wears? Now my mind's wandering. Who the hell wear? We got it. And that's it in the bag, bro. I still see that card. There's a card that says something on it. It's probably just thank you. Hopefully it actually says who it is. Because I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not gonna be able to guess. Let's put it on. You guys look at me. Whoever gets it right down below, be honest. Whoever gets it right down below, I'm gonna give something to. DM me on Instagram, it's right here, or leave your handle. Anyone who gets it right, I'm gonna give something to you. I don't know what yet. Maybe a free mystery box in mine. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Link is down below. We've got mystery boxes on there. Guess what? They're only $24.99. You're guaranteed to get more value out of the money you spent or something like that. I'm not really good at pitching these things, but it's super dope, bro. Somebody who orders one of the mystery boxes is either gonna get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X, and we also got free jewelry on there with the link down below. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You can add 2 free jewelry pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Yeah, good marketing. Boys, I'm not happy about this one. Oh, God. Oh, you look like a dick. Who wore this? Boys, let me know down below. I'm gonna look at that card. If it's not on there, I think we're all out of luck, because I thought it'd be easier to guess who this is. Boys, let's look at the card. Okay, I already got a glimpse. I was gonna leave it to the surprise. God damn it, Brandon. We do have a card. It says a name. I don't believe it, because none of this makes sense. Trippy Red. We're gonna hop online real quick because I don't believe that at all. I think they might have mistaken this. Have you ever seen Trippie Redd wearing this? The hell is Trippie Redd wearing this for? All right, let's hop on the computer. Let's see if we can actually even find a picture of him. I'll just search up Trippie Redd hat that's orange. Alright boys, computer mode engaged. Also, I had to take off this hat. It was getting me too hot, but I kept on the turtle skin for you. Google, you freaking ass. That thing is not supposed to show any of my search history. We're on incognito mode. Okay, not that my search history is bad, but I don't need you guys saying, oh, Selena Gomez in a bikini. You know what I mean? Like, we don't need it. We don't need it. I don't search that either. Okay, Trippie Redd. What are the chances we even find this? He does wear beanies. See, that's the one thing that threw me off. First off, I don't remember watching him have beanies on. Also, I don't really pay attention to all of his outfits. But the one thing I'm really concerned about is I've never seen this guy wearing a damn turtleneck. And I don't see it anywhere. Oh! Turtle! Wait, that's it. Nope. Where's my fluffy things that look like wings? It's a dress, but over your shoulder dress. That can't be it. Beanie? How do you spell that? I know how to spell toque. That's what we call it in Canada. Trippie Redd beanie. This is all gonna be merch. Trippie Redd or oh my fuck! We have an orange hat. That's the one! Oh, we found it! Where's my cape? Oh, I didn't actually think we'd find this. He does wear it, bro. Oh, it's not even a cape, it's a robe, Jedi style. Okay, they really skimped out on this one. He's also got pants too in his chain. Dude, we used to have this chain. Oh, I gave it away a long time ago. I wish I still had it. We could have completed this up, but what a dumb, this is stupid. I don't want this outfit. Okay, here's another one. Boys, we got the damn, where's my backpack with gold things on it? That's that. What else do you want from me, bro? I guess he did wear this. Yeah, now I'm looking at it close. That's no cohort. I also don't have a cool robe. They didn't give me a cool hair wig, and they definitely didn't give me a backpack with gold on it. That was stupid. If you guys find it on Etsy, give me a link, and I'll link it, but I don't have time. I've got to get this video up because we are very late. Appreciate y'all for watching Merkin the Game, the greatest of all time. Let me know, is this a winner or no? And if I can find it again, should I try it again? Like, maybe I could try for, like, if they have, like, an X one or something, that would be kind of cool. Or some other celebrity. Anyway, appreciate y'all. Bye, bye, blow. Shoot.